Hi everyone, and welcome back to the Food for Thought channel. I'm Gordon. I'm just getting ready for, we're getting ready for winter. We've already had a couple of snowfalls here. We know more is going to come, and I thought I would just do some protection of some of the late season, some plants that we've got. This bed here is basically for the chickens. I've got some lettuce, some kale, arugula, that kind of stuff. So this is all basically chicken food, so they're getting at least some fresh greens in the next while. It won't last forever, obviously, but hopefully it'll last into the season a little bit longer, that they're getting some fresh stuff rather than buying it. I use a kind of hoop house, but my method is maybe slightly different than others. Normally you'd have the hoops just going over individually, but I crisscross mine, so it's a lot stronger. I mean, a lot stronger. Anyway, let me show you how I make my hoop houses, and we'll go and get some stuff done on the other plants. Okay. So my area that I've got, I'm basically on the side of a mountain. As you can see, we're just all rock, virtually. So the landscape in here is really just not much of it was just basically topsoil that was put down to basically grow lawn and that kind of stuff. Every time I've had to go and do some sort of digging project, it's taken me hours to dig through rock. So I basically have to do raised beds. This is the easiest. So this section here, it was actually easier just to do these are just plastic raised beds. I like these methods because they just slide into each other, and you can make anything from 4x4 that are 12 inches, 24 inches, down to a 12 foot by 4 foot down at the bottom there that I've got tunnel. So, and the nice thing about the corner patches come off, and that's what I need to do to make this polytunnel. So I just take the corners off. And this is just half-inch PVC tubing. It just slides into the path there. I go corner to corner rather than going across the way. So most houses, the hooped houses that I've seen, go that corner to that corner, this corner, that corner. And to me that can always go wibble back and forward. Doing it this way, if I was having it higher like this one is, I would just put some tape around it on the corner when it goes low like this, because that goes all the way down. There's no way this is not going anywhere. And the weight on that, I mean, I can put my weight on it and it's not crushing. So I don't have to worry that we get really heavy snow. I mean, last year we got 2 feet of snow at one go. But I don't have to really worry about that, because this will just, one, it'll fall off, two, the weight on this will be no problem. So all I need to do now, put some polythene over it and tie it down, or tape it, as probably I will in this situation, and that's it. So let's go down to one of my other sections, and I'll show you what I'm having to do, because I've still got some turnips, rutabagas, growing down there that I want to cover over to keep them sort of growing over the winter time, and they'll probably be into the spring before they come to anything. But let's go down and I'll show you the other section, okay? Right, so this is one of my other sections. What I'll take a video of the other beds. There's nothing really growing in the other ones. A little bit of kale over there or whatnot, but I'll show you around what's over here. Anyway, so this is this is my turnip. I'm going to try to get it lasting over the winter time. Pretty hardy plants. So I'm basically just going to do similar sort of thing. Go corner to corner. I just take tape. This is hockey tape, so it's nice, strong material. And all I do is just run some tape around it a few times. There's some nice sort of cross pattern. Just a few times, just to run that round. And then that's got all the strength that you're needing. I mean, I can't force that down, so there's no way that's going to collapse. Whereas if it was just this side to that side, all the weight of snow will just take that down. This is by far the stronger method that I've found. So I've just got some plastic here. It's not heavy duty plastic, but it's strong enough for what I need. Nice sharp knife. This is doubled over. And I'm going to do the same again. I'm just going to do it that way. And that's it. I'll probably put some tape on it to tie up any of the sort of loose bits, but I got this plastic for free. The 2 poles cost me, I think it were $5 each. The wood here I got for free. So basically it's cost me nothing. But that's basically it. How I've learned. I've got other videos on different type of hooked houses and whatnot. I've got other plans for making. I've got some old windows from my company was getting rid of all their windows and putting brand new windows in, and I whipped a bunch of those. So I'm going to make a sort of a growing bed for spring for starting seedlings. That's another project to do, which I'll obviously show you as I'm making it. But that just takes a couple of minutes just to do that, and it's now hopefully sealed them up for the winter time, and we should hopefully get some turn up come early spring. So anyway, thank you very much for joining us, and I'll just do a quick show around and then we'll fade out. Okay, thanks guys.